What I'm about to say is glorious. It sounds like the intro to your favorite rap album. It sounds like the opening of an opera. This video is all about New Balance. Sounds glorious. This video is sponsored by New Balance, so shout out to them for giving me the opportunity, and we're gonna highlight 5 pairs that you can buy right now. Specific models, how they fit, the colorways, etc. Each one of these pairs is gonna be linked for you guys down in the description. I also have a promo code that you can use. However, most of these are excluded from that promo code. Why are they excluded? Because these are their most popular styles, they sell really well, and they don't go on sale, straight up. Let me just say this. One of the best parts about New Balance is they've got the entire range. They have these amazing premium options, and then they have some really nice affordable stuff that's under $100. Throughout everything, the quality is exceptional. You get what you pay for. Love this brand. I truly love this brand. So I'm gonna show you that range right now. Okay, we're gonna start things off with one of the most classic and recognizable New Balance models that's out there. We got the 574. I've been rocking the 574 a lot already this summer, beating these up, this OG gray colorway. This is a nice essential or staple in your closet, but if you want something that's gonna pop, something a little bit more summery, check these out. If you missed that brick and wood collaboration from a couple weeks ago, this is a nice alternative. I will be honest, it is hard to pull off green on a sneaker, but this shade, I love it, man. I absolutely love it. Sizing wise, with 574s, they fit true to size, in my opinion. Now, a lot of New Balance run big, so you can get away with going down a half a size, but 574s, they fit true to size, in my opinion. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, there are some affordable options in here. These are one of them. Retail price is $80, and the 574s on the New Balance website range anywhere from 70 to 80 bucks. Pretty nice price point. And if you didn't know, New Balance has comfort on lock. We'll touch on that a little bit more, but trust me, comfort on lock. Okay, we got the 574 out of the way. Now we're gonna talk about something that's made in the USA and arguably the most popular New Balance this year. Now, there's a lot of collaborations that people are gonna say are more popular, but as far as an inline New Balance goes, this is the pinnacle. This is what a lot of people would say is a top 5 most essential sneaker that you can have in your collection, and I would agree with that. We've got the New Balance 990 V5. So I have some 990s, but I don't have this specific colorway, and it was kind of eating me alive a little bit. I'm like, I keep seeing people wearing them, and I need them. I need them in my collection. The price point is $185, so it's not cheap. However, they're made in USA, and when you open this sneaker box, you know it. There's nothing on this shoe that feels cheap. If you think about other sneaker brands, you drop 190 bucks, no problem. 200 bucks, no problem. Sometimes you don't even hesitate because you get caught up in the hype. Now, if you think about what exactly you're getting for that price, if you push hype aside, you know, the quality of the materials, how comfortable it is, the longevity of the shoe, where it's made, these things add up, and it makes sense that these are $185. This colorway sells out. They literally have to make more as the year goes on. I just gotta say, this is the smoothest gray tone. Honestly, these go with everything, truly everything, and I feel like the shape is just sleek enough to not make it a complete dad shoe. These will immediately be in my top 5 most worn sneakers. Okay, and following the most expensive pair in this video, we're gonna go to the most affordable. This is the 237 model. This one is totally new to me. I've never seen this in hand. I saw it online and wanted to grab it because, for one, I like the colorway, and 2, it looks like it's a little bit wider than some of the other options on the New Balance website, and I know some of you have a wide foot. I have a somewhat wide foot. There's not a whole lot to these, which I think is to their benefit. They're very simple. This is truly something that you just throw on very easily, lightweight, a lot of cushioning down here, but it's nothing fancy, if you know what I mean. This dark royal and this gold just kind of gave me an outdoorsy type feel. I don't know why, but it did. Like, this whole shoe just gives me kind of an outdoors type feel for some reason. These are about 65 bucks. How can you argue with that? It's truly crazy that they can make this shoe for that price range. A lot of different materials on here. We got neoprene, leather, and suede all in the mix. Now, because I've never had a pair of these, I didn't know how they fit. So I went with my true size, 11.5, and that's always a safe bet because, you know, you might not be crushing your toes or you might have a little bit of room. However, I feel like I could have gone down a half a size with this shoe, so that's probably my recommendation. $237. If you go ahead and grab a pair, go down a half a size. If you end up with your true size because the other size is sold out for some reason, it's not the end of the world. Okay, moving on to the shoe that I'm gonna wear today, and this is my first introduction to this model. A ton of you have told me to pick these up. I got them. Finally, I got a pair of these. This is the 2002 R. If you don't know about these, get hip because they're everywhere. People love them, and I get why. The price point these are at is right in the middle, anywhere from $129 to $139. I think that these are on sale right now. Some people would maybe tell you go down a half a size. You get a little bit of extra room in the toe box if you go true to size. So that's my recommendation. If you want that snug fit, go down a half a size. The comfort is there with an energy cushioning setup. Nice materials on here, leather mesh and suede. But above all that, the colorway is what drove me in. I've never seen a shoe in this grayish light blue color. It's got this white midsole that has a little bit of a vintage hit to it, so it's like an off-white. I may throw some cream or off-white laces in there just to break up the shoe a little bit. If you have this model, hit the comment section. Let us know how they've held up. I've only tried them on. I haven't actually worn them. So if you've had a pair for a little while, hit the comment section and let us know how they've held up. Okay, so this last shoe, the box got a little banged up because I was setting up everything and I just stepped on it. So I got a blowout here and that's on me. But here's the deal. This is a model that I have not tried out yet either. However, it's been really popular. So I had to go ahead and try out a pair and I was surprised. I was like, oh man, this colorway isn't sold out. How are these still available? Grabbed them, couldn't be happier. This is an amazing shoe. We got the New Balance 5740. In my opinion, these are some of the flashiest New Balance that you could get right now. Different shades of purple, tan, black, and blue on here, and somehow it works. I've literally never seen these colors together on a shoe before. The model itself, super comfortable, hits for about $100, very reasonable, and it fits true to size. These impressed me, honestly, especially at that price point. They're not gonna be the last pair that I pick up. I've chatted a lot about New Balance in this video, and I'm gonna elaborate more. You're gonna see a ton more New Balance content throughout this summer. And again, if you wanna pick up any of these shoes before they sell out, check down in the description. They're all gonna be linked there, and there's a little promo code that you can use on some items. Definitely leave that like if you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel and you want to see more New Balance and men's fashion content. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Peace.